Hi guys, today we're going to talk about gaming in your Tesla, specifically using Steam to install your PC games and play them with a Bluetooth controller. There are a couple of models of the Tesla family that support using Steam currently, the 2022 Model S and Model X and newer models. So I've got my 2022 Model X here, and we'll go through how to connect your controller, what types of Bluetooth controllers are supported, and then if you want to expand your storage, you're definitely going to want to add additional storage in Steam. So we'll go through that as well. So here we go. Okay, so next we're gonna pair a controller to the Tesla. The Tesla Bluetooth chipset supports devices that support Bluetooth Classic, not BLE or Bluetooth Low Energy. This is unfortunate because the current Xbox One controllers out there only support BLE and cannot be paired to the Tesla. So I have my Xbox One Model 1708 controller that I tried, and it will not pair with the Model X. So instead, I'm using a PS5 controller, and that works flawlessly. I've heard that the 8BitDo controllers work. The Google Stadia controller also works. So here I'll show you the pairing process for the PS5 controller. You'll want to go to the Bluetooth device settings, which is under the main menu. You go down to Bluetooth, or you can touch the Bluetooth icon up here. And then on the PlayStation 5 controller, I'm going to hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time until that blue light starts flashing. When it's flashing, you'll see the controller shows up immediately. We'll hit connect. It adds it, and now the blue light's solid. That way we know it's connected. Okay, next we have storage. The Tesla's MCU has reportedly 64 gigabytes of internal eMMC storage, although I have found that within Steam, the internal drive is reporting almost 80 gigs with 48.4 gigs free there. So that's a discrepancy I haven't really worked out yet. The internal storage on the Tesla is not upgradable for all intents and purposes because that eMMC chip is soldered to the main MCU board. I've read about people upgrading the eMMC on older MCUs, but I haven't seen anyone doing it yet with the Ryzen MCU, and I would imagine that it's pretty difficult to do. Instead, what you want to do is get a USB 3 external hard drive. I bought the drive that is currently the most popular one for this use case, which is the SanDisk 1 terabyte Extreme Portable SSD. Here's the USB-A to USB-C cable that comes with the drive. I don't recommend using it, and I'll show you why. So here's my glove compartment. The USB-A port inside there is where you'd connect the cable. Since the cable is so short, I discovered that the hard drive tends to vibrate and move around while driving. So it actually caused it to lose connection several times from the Tesla, corrupting the drive. I had to reformat it, and it's just a pain. So the solution was just to find a standard 6-foot cable, USB-A to USB-C, plug that in. You can see I just have it looped around like that with the drive sitting down. And now the drive doesn't move that USB-A connection at all. I haven't had a single issue since. Next, I'll show you how to set up the drive in the Tesla operating system so you can connect it to Steam and install games on it. So here's how you set up your hard drive once you get it connected. Open the safety option from the main settings menu and then scroll down a little bit and you'll see Format USB Drive. It'll let you choose to dedicate 64 gigabytes of storage for your dash cam. I wish they would let you adjust this number, but really 64 gigs isn't much being taken away from your 1 terabyte drive, but it's still a decent amount of storage for recording dash cam and Sentry clips. So it's a happy medium. I'm going to cancel since I've already formatted my drive, and then next I'll show you Steam. So to actually get into Steam, you'll launch the little tray and launch Arcade. I have a shortcut to it down here at the bottom, and then you just launch Steam. And I had launched Steam recently, so it popped up really quickly. Usually, like on your first time, it's going to do some updates and everything, and then restart. So once you get up to here, you can click on the Steam menu, go to Settings, and then if I go to Storage, you can see there I have 40 gigs free of 80 gigs, and then the other drive over there is my SSD, where I have 255 gigs free of about 850 to 900 gigs. So there you have it. In the next video, we will go over the process of installing games, updating games, and some gotchas that you'll definitely need to know. If you have any questions about this process, definitely put a comment below and I'll respond back to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.